Hey, welcome back to Shake Hands with Destiny, where our whole entire mission is what? I only shake hands with my destiny if you shake hands with your destiny. So let's get it. Let's go. Hey, y'all, I'm bringing y'all a video here today based on how to use AI to actually find the inaccuracies and errors on your actual credit report. Because a lot of times we've been looking at our credit report, you got charge offs on your credit report, but you don't know how to get the stuff off because you don't know what is actually inaccurate. We like, I don't know what is inaccurate, what's not. But according to 15 USC 1681I, they must put everything 100% accurate on your actual credit report. So one little error in your credit report, guess what? That could be that could give you the actual ammunition to get that charge off removed off your credit report. Because in today's world where we got a lot of stuff going on with the CFPB, people out here filing identity theft claims and so forth, all of and the different hacks, that may be going away. Okay, well, it may be on halt for right now. So what happens is we got to go back to how we used to do credit, how I've done it all along, and how I teach my people how to do it the correct way using consumer law. So that's what I want to show you today, how to actually find those errors so you can properly use consumer law. So what am I saying? Ordinarily, when you get a charge off of your credit report, you send what you call a procedural investigation. Then you send what you call a reinvestigation. Then you send in what you call a factual dispute, meaning there's an error on your actual credit report. But a lot of times we don't know where the actual error is, and that's what I want to show you. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to jump into this video. But if you could for me, go ahead and like this video at the end if you like it. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, of course, if you like it as well. And if you really like this thing, go ahead and share it with somebody and also possibly join our community. And I even will have how to remove charge off video at the top of the end of this video if you want to watch the full video as well on how to do that, or even purchase our guide and other things like that. But without further ado, let's jump in and let's see how we're going to find these errors in a matter of seconds using AI. Okay, so the very first thing what I want you to do is go ahead and go grab your credit report, because I'm going to show you this is going to be so simple. Okay, so grab your credit report, and I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here. Give me just a moment. And what I've done for the protection and privacy of someone, I went ahead and took a snapshot of a credit report. I'm going to go ahead and share. So right here, we have a credit report, okay? This particular credit report, what I'm gonna do is you're gonna take your credit report and you're just gonna drag your mouse across the credit report, and you're gonna just take a copy of the actual credit report for that particular account. So whatever that negative account is, I guess you technically could put your entire credit report in there, but I'm gonna show you this example that I'm utilizing here. This is showing you how to actually take one negative account on your credit report and show and copy it. We're going to do a copy and paste into Chat GPT. So what I've done here, and I may look at this from the naked eye, and I look at this credit report and I say, what's wrong with this credit report? Why does date of last activity, one says 2/10/22/23, and another one says 12/1, and another one says 7/1? So you mean to tell me on a date of last activity is one or two things happen? That's the last time they disputed the account, or that's the last time they paid the account. Either way it goes, guess what? It's inaccurate. But your naked eye may say, well, I'm not really sure what's wrong here. Why it says 9/16/21 that it's open, and 9/1/21, 9/1 on one report, and then 9/16 on the other report. I'm not really sure. I don't know. So what I want to do is show you how I took this, and you don't have to take the thinking out of it. So what we're doing is copying here, okay? We're going to put this right into Chat GPT. So what I'm going to do here is go over to Chat GPT, and you're going to ask Chat GPT, please create the list of inaccuracies, discrepancies reported on this account between Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, and also give me a summary of the discrepancies. I can't spell discrepancies all of a sudden on this account. Okay. Now watch this. You can either copy and paste, In this case, I took a screenshot. So what I'm going to do is just go to this little plus sign here. I'm going to go to where I took the screenshot. And I'm going to just simply add the 2 screenshots there. And then I'm going to hit the little arrow button, which is enter. Now watch this. Watch what it's going to do here for us. It's going to start to generate and analyze all of your particular inaccuracies in a matter of seconds, okay? Why are we doing this again? This is so when you've sent your procedural investigation off, you sent your reinvestigation off, and now it's time to do what you call factual disputing. And whenever you do a factual dispute, guess what, y'all? You're only going to send one factual dispute at a time. Inaccuracy, I'm sorry, one inaccuracy at a time. So let's just say this report is taking a little longer because I put the pictures in probably versus copying and pasting. If you copy and paste, it's a little faster. But what that simply means is for each inaccuracy, you only want to put one per letter. Okay. So in this case, we already know this is going to give us multiple of inaccuracies. So what that means is, let's just say by the 3rd letter, which again, you watch my video, you don't have to wait 30 days to send off each letter. You can send them off as the credit reporting agencies respond. Go watch my video on how to dispute charge-offs. Okay, I'll put it here at the end of this video. But what you want to do is look at all of these discrepancies here. You got one discrepancy here, high balance. It means TransUnion had a discrepancy. Experian does not list a high balance while TransUnion and Equifax does. That means it's inconsistent across all credit bureaus, right? What does 15 USC 1681I A5 say? You have to be absolutely 100% accurate, or if you're incomplete, it must come off of your actual credit, okay? Let's look at number 2. Last time verified. Look at this. What's the discrepancy? TransUnion lists verification date, but Experian and Equifax does not. Number 3, date of last activity. Look at this, date of last activity. I told y'all this before. Varies between all 3 credit bureaus. What happens? That's an inaccuracy. Number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. This one says no inaccuracies for that one right there, okay? So 8, discrepancy, no discrepancy there. So look at this, y'all. Look at this. It lists 13 different discrepancies. I think 2 of them were not discrepancies. But then look here, it gives us a summary down below of all of the inaccuracies. This is amazing, y'all. So what this simply means, y'all, is when you're trying to find an inaccuracy to get something off of your credit, you can use one, even if it's just 10. That means this first factual dispute letter you send, all right, they come back as verified. You send the second one with the second inaccuracy. Let me stop sharing for just a second here. So what does this mean, y'all? You send off that first letter and it comes back verified. First inaccuracy, second inaccuracy, third inaccuracy, fourth inaccuracy. Guys, they're gonna run out, okay? You have so much ammunition here. So what I want you to do is use this actual ammunition to find your inaccuracies and your errors on your actual credit report using ChatGPT, and then using the prompts that I told you. And you just simply go through your credit report and find the inaccuracies on each negative account that you have on your account. If you're trying to get a charge off, or even for that matter, anything that's negative off of your credit report. Hey guys, go ahead and like this video if you like it. Like I said before, subscribe to our channel. And if you really like this, go ahead and get in our community, or even get my one of my books on how to remove collections, my ebooks on how to get rid of charge-offs. I got a whole lot of stuff, man. Just hit that link, join our community, y'all. Why? Because I only shake hands with my destiny if you shake hands with your destiny. Let's get it. Let's go.